Candy, what are you and the Boo-Boo-Corns making back there? It smells really good.
I'm inspired, Bonbon. I've got a great big idea for feeding everyone at Sparklefest. You've heard of cake. You've heard of cake pops. The next step is cake popsicles.
You've done it again, mate. That's why you're the chef and I'm the driver of Rainbowville's most fantastic food truck.
Delicious desserts!
Sounds flat.
I wasn't flat. I sang on pitch.
Not a flat note, a flat tire.
Our beautiful baby has a boo-boo.
Good thing I always carry a spare tire. Candy, is this a blender?
It's my spare blender, in case something happens to my main blender.
This is supposed to be for an extra tire, not a backup blender.
Oh, that's what that was for. The cannonball!
We've got to think of some other bright idea. Missy is counting on us to make it to Sparklefest.
We can't give up. We can bake our way out of anything. After all, we're delicious desserts! I've got an idea. I'm gonna need a lot of flour. I present to you the delicious driving donut.
We're saved.
Do not forget the sprinkles. Delicious desserts.
Candy just texted back. On our way, donut powered. What does that mean? Just in time for the auditions. The dancers will be here any minute. Uh-oh. Okay, perfect. Go Glitzy! Nice job, Itzy Glitzies, and just in time. We've been doing dance auditions and we're down to the final 3. Let's bring our contestants on stage now.
Hi, I'm Dairy Queen the Reindeer Corn from the North Pole, and my signature dance move was taught to me by my dad, Prancer. It's the Reindeer Prance.
Hi, I'm Cecilia the Seal Corn from Malibu, California. And if there's one thing I know about, it's snuggles. Aw, adorable. But if there's 2 things I know about, it's snuggles and shuffles. My signature move is the Seal Shuffle.
And I'm Goldie the Snail Corn from Snailsburg, Michigan. And I may move slow, but I sure can slide. My signature move is the Snail Slide.
So who's it going to be, Missy? Oh, I have to make a choice?
Yes, it's all down to you. Choose the dancer for the stage show and send the other 2 home.
Just a second. What do I do? Maybe I'll stare into this wishing well. That's what people do when they have to make a tough choice, right? Yeah, it's a tough call. Holy snugglebugs! You can talk? Oh, wishing wells always give great advice. I don't know what to do. I can only choose one dancer, but they are all so good. Maybe you aren't seeing all the options. You're right. I have other options. Thanks, wishing well. Nice kid. I wish her well. I'm back! I'm back!
That's great, because we've got something to show you.
We can all do our dance moves
Together! Prance, shuffle, slide. Prance, shuffle, slide. Side to side, go for a ride. Prance, shuffle, slide.
Wow, yes! You're all in the show.
Yay!
It's time to open the gates to Sparklefest. Is everybody ready?
Yeah! We've got everything.
Then Sparklefest has begun. Welcome, Rainbocorns, one and all, to Sparklefest. This festival could not have been possible without the little puppycorn who organized this whole event, Missy. Missy, who is somewhere else. The show is starting soon. As soon as I can find Missy.
5 minutes to curtain. Places, everyone. Places.
Is Missy back here?
I thought she was with you.
I thought she was with you. JJ, have you seen Missy?
Hey, Posh! Ready for the Hippocorn Stomp? Meet the supergroup's new singer, Pudding Pop!
Pleased to meet you. Woo! Wow! Jelly Shake Rainbocorns are the best singers.
Is Missy missing?
Not missing, just misplaced.
I can't find my guitar either. Maybe if you find one, you'll find the other.
Missy misplaced. That sounds like a song. Missy, we're feeling blue. Because Missy, we're missing you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Careful, Posh! These are the Golden Bow fireworks for the grand finale.
I can't find Missy anywhere.
Maybe she's got a hankering for some sweet desserts.
I'd better check the food truck.
Hey, Posh! Want your usual? A double fudge lava cake with a peppermint twist coming right up.
Is Missy here?
She is.
Yay!
Nope, she was. She got a doggy bag full of her favorite cocoa bones and headed back to the stage.
I was so close. I can't find Missy anywhere. She's going to miss her own show. Do I have any clues?
I can't find my guitar either. Maybe if you find one, you'll find the other.
She got a doggy bag full of her favorite cocoa bones and headed back to the stage.
A cocoa bone! I saw more backstage. Pasha's gonna solve the mystery. She's gonna crack the case. Pasha's gonna find Missy, 'cause she looked all over the place. The instrument closet. Missy!
Wow, thank you for finding me, Posh.
How'd you get stuck in there?
It's a long story. Hello? Anyone out there? Help! Okay, it was a very short story. Thanks for saving me.
No problem. You couldn't have missed Sparkle Fest.
Now let's celebrate.
Come on, everybody. Get on your feet. It's time for the Hippocorn Stomp. Prince Shuffle Slide Stomp. Prince Shuffle Slide Stomp. Rainbocorns, tap your horns. Prince Shuffle Slide Stomp.
Yay, we did it!
We never could have done this without you, Missy.
Rainbocorns forever!
Rainbocorns and jelly shakes. Look into my crystal ball as I perform magic spells to astound and astonish. Okay. Step 1, bring out the crystal ball. Step 2, wave my wand. Oh, I forgot my wand. 1 second.
Here's your wand. Are you sure you know what you're doing out there?
I didn't really have time to prepare, Nala. I'll just wing it. Now I wave my magic wand and say the magic words. I cast this spell upon this night to grant us all our heart's delight. Fairy, wizard, elf, and witch, give my friends their favorite switch?
Did something fun happen? I can't see anything.
Did my spell work? What?
Hey, Missy, why do you sound like Posh? And why do I look like Vacay?
I am Posh.
And I'm Missy.
Oh no! What about everyone else?
I'm her, and she's me. Same here. We all swapped places with our best friends.
Okay, nobody panic. I can probably fix this.
Probably. Did that work?
No. Try again. It's okay. This will all work out fine as long as we always say the same word. Ice cream. Why would you say ice cream? I'm hungry.
Oh, I see. There's a warning here. You need to wave your wand in a circle, like this, not like this.
Okay, let's see. Missy?
Posh?
We did it! Thanks, best friend. You saved my mistake.
That's what friends are for. And hey, it looks like you accidentally changed the words in the spell, too. It was supposed to say, Fairy, Wizard, Elf, and Wish. Give my friends their favorite dish.
Oops. Oh no! What's gonna happen now?
I guess we'll see.
Baking and singing, smelling so good.
Making up sweet treats like I knew we could.
I love being a jelly shake Rainbocorn.
Me too. And our guests are gonna love this fancy dinner party put on by Rainbowville's best food truck.
Delicious dessert.
Candy? Where's the food?
What? It's gone.
Puppycorns, did you drop off the food to the table?
Our guests are going to arrive any minute now.
We're here.
Oh no, Bonbon, you've got to distract them while I figure something out.
Hi, Missy and Posh. We're excited to try all your delicious desserts. I am too. Hey, did you ever figure out what happened with that magic spell? We never did.
Someday I'll learn how to do that trick correctly.
Think, Candy. I have some ice cream and chocolate and these delicious berries. Oh no, this is no good.
When do we dig in?
Oh, wait, we can't sit down yet. We're still waiting for DJ and Vacay.
We're here. Sorry we're a little late.
That's okay. You could have taken longer. No rush.
No.
Well, I guess it's time to eat now.
Yep. Let's have a seat, and Candy will bring out the desserts.
Wow, this is exactly what I wanted. Me too. I haven't had berry choco ice cream cake in years.
How did you know?
I've got nothing.
Nothing but everyone's favorite desserts.
Oh, the magic spell said, Fairy, Wizard, Elf, and Wish. Give my friends their favorite dish.
The magic spell helped Candy make everyone's favorite desserts.
Phew. Bon appetit. Pass the popcorn, DJ.
Shh, come on, dearie queen. This is my favorite part.
You've binge-watched every episode of Angel Pie 15 times already. Every part is your favorite part.
Hey Mo, this new synthesizer is simply angelic. No problem, ZB. I love building tech for my friends.
What is this heavenly beat I hear? You have got to DJ my fashion show.
Really? I'll do it.
Thank you, ZB. You saved the day with the power of music. You saved the day with the power of music. See? Wasn't that amazing? Let's watch it again.
Everybody loves Angel Pie, but I've got dance practice in 5 minutes.
I've got an idea. What if I DJ'd a fashion show?
Like in the show?
Yeah, just like in the show.
Sorry, DJ, we're not putting on a fashion show right now.
This might be harder than I thought. I don't need any music for my magic act. Oh, crumbs.
We've already got a jukebox here at the Twinkle Star, but if it ever breaks down, you'll be the first one I call.
How am I supposed to be just like ZB if no one needs my help?
Well, partner, that's a television show. Not everything works out as easily as it does on TV.
It doesn't?
Yeah, but that's okay. That's how we learn to be flexible. Sometimes when we're trying to make some perfect plan, we miss out on the good things we didn't see coming at all.
DJ, there you are! We just got a last-minute performance at Rainbowville Park, and we need you to DJ our dance show tonight. Really?
See, what did I tell you?
It's no fashion show, but it's something.
It's better because it's our own thing, and I get to help my friends.
Thanks, Deej.
Would you say the line from the show for me?
You saved the day with the power of music.
Rainbow, Rainbocorns!
everyone! Missy will be here any moment.
I'm so excited. I love surprise birthday parties.
You all know what to do. When Missy shows up, I turn on the fancy party lights.
Bonbon and I wheel out this giant cake.
I blast the music and we shout,
Happy birthday, Missy! Here she comes. Everybody hide.
Posh, where are you? I'm ready to go ice skating. Oh, beautiful. Whoa, delicious. Now.
Happy birthday! What happened?
My speakers must have drained all the power from the lights. Whoops.
What are we going to do?
I'll take a look at the plug. I love solving a problem. Phew. Maybe this'll do the trick. Nothing. How am I gonna fix this? What's this? Happy birthday, Missy. Here's a little gift for my favorite problem solver. Love, your fairy godmother? Oh, Posh, I found something. I think this could help. Let's open it.
Epic golden eggs!
I have an idea. We can use these to sparkle up our party.
Great idea. Come on, everybody.
Hit it, DJ!
Thanks, Boo-Boo-Corns.
Hair accessories.
They're better than party hats. A giant sequin heart.
Wow, it looks so good.
And now we're ready to say,
Happy birthday, Missy!
Thanks, everyone. But I wonder who my fairy godmother was.
probably someone who knows you like to solve problems.
Aw, you're right. Best birthday gift ever.
'Twas the night before Christmas, and no reindeer could be found. Not one of St. Nick's team who pulled his sleigh off the ground. No Dasher or Dancer or the rest of his crew. They're stuck on a layover in Timbuktu. No Rudolph, no Vixen, or all of the rest. Who will pull Santa's sleigh? Who will rise to this test?
We're going to pull the sleigh.
And save Christmas.
We were just coming to the North Pole to visit your dad, Prancer. Yeah, but now Santa needs our help.
It's Santa, Goldie.
Oh, but I don't know anything about flying. You have that shell on your back. It's kind of like a sleigh. Okay.
Let's fly.
When did you learn how to fly? I read the manual. Most of it. Most of it?
Next we land on the rooftops.
Land? Oh, I didn't get that far. You didn't read how to land? I like to have something to read while I'm flying. Oops. Oh, it's okay. We'll just glide in nice and easy. Too fast. Okay, let's try that again.
Loop-de-loop.
Second try.
Let's aim for the chimney. That should stop us.
What? We're gonna crash. No, I'm putting my foot down. You did it! I did! Yay! My sticky snail foot is a super sleigh stopper. I helped!
Yay!
Only 500 million more houses to go.
All Christmas Eve night, Goldie stuck like glue. And that was the Christmas when the Rainbocorns flew. Happy Christmas from the Rainbocorns.
How cool is it we were invited to bake our famous cherry chewy cake on Rainbow TV?
Yeah! Can't wait to show off our totally amazing baking skills.
Missy! Welcome to Rainbow TV. I'll be helping you set up for the cooking segment. Thanks for having us, Missy. Posh, can you make sure we have everything for the cake in the back?
You got it, boss. It's all here. Vegetable oil, flour and sugar, cherries, and a puppycorn egg.
A puppycorn egg?
Aw, she's so cute.
And so hungry.
Oh no! Save the ingredients!
No, save me! Thanks, Missy. That was a close one.
What should we do with her?
Whatever you do it quick. You're on in 5. How are we going to make this Puppycorn happy and get all this stuff into the studio in time?
I've got an idea! Okay, the ingredients are inside.
How did you know that would work?
I had a feeling this Puppycorn was helpful and hungry. I might have also promised her the cake when we were done.
Are you ready? You're on! You're on in 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to Rainbow TV. We're here to bake our famous chewy cherry cake.
First, you pour your flour and sugar into a bowl.
Oh. I told you she was helpful.
And still hungry.
Hey, a promise is a promise. Hatch Day is so important. New bunnycorns coming into the world. And how do we do it? Music!
That's why you wanted me here, Nala. So these bunnycorns hatch with excellent music taste?
Of course. But remember, they have to hatch, no matter how cool the tunes are.
My name is DJ. I am a DJ. I was hatched for this moment.
Oh. We're so honored to welcome our soon-to-be fuzzy friends to Rainbowville. Let's break them out of their shells. Ha!
That's my cue. Here we go!
I think it's making them too sleepy to hatch. Can you play something a little more upbeat?
Aha!
Alrighty now. Let's see if a little country will wake those bunnycorns from their slumber.
Left, 1, 2. Right, 1, 2.
Oh no, DJ! The bunnycorns don't know their left from right yet.
Okay, I have the perfect song.
This song seems to be casting a spell. Great job, DJ. Bugsy just popped out of her shell. I know you can do this, DJ. And she's back in it. We've got to make them stop. But they don't like classical country rock or pop.
Hey, did that just rhyme? That gives me an idea. What about hip-hop? That's it! Thanks, Posh! I thought I knew what they needed, but I needed a little help.
You did a great job, DJ. Now let's get this party started!
That climb up Mount Rainbow Sparkle was so fun! What should we do next?
I can't feel my everything.
Oh, I know! A hula hoop contest!
Hey, isn't that a new egg? Make sure this new Rainbocorn takes a nap after hatching. All Rainbocorns need naps or they'll get crabby. Love, Nala. A nap sounds really great.
Naps? Bah! There's too many other fun things to do. Oh, a baby kitty corn! Welcome to the world, little one! What should we do first?
Missy, Nala says we should get the new kitty corn to nap. So let's get to napping.
Posh, does she look like she needs a nap?
Yes, she does. First step to napping is a perfectly fluffy pillow. Ugh, that's not helping.
Okay, Posh, how about this? Ta-da!
Step 2 is having the comfiest blanket to cuddle with.
There. now she's all cozy. Bubbles? Oh, sparkly fiddlesticks! Where'd she go? Aw, she's all tuckered out. Let's help her get snuggly. Ooh, maybe napping isn't so bad after all. Sparkly fiddlesticks, now I can't sleep. DJ, Posh, welcome to Rainbocorn Rescue. Once these puppycorns hatch, it'll be grand opening time. I'm so excited! Oh, I better get the welcome banner. Uh-oh, I think the door locked behind me. DJ, did you hear something?
I sure did. It's the sound of a new puppycorn hatching!
Our first patient! So exciting! Oh, where's Posh? She would hate to miss this.
Oh, she's always up to something. What a cute bean! And strong. Oh.
Thanks, Doc. That's what I'm here for. Now, let's record her height and weight. No, not that way. Now let's get your measurements.
So Beanie doesn't escape again.
Can anybody hear me? Am I in a thought bubble? Hello? Great, 24 inches tall.
Come on! We have to catch her before she gets into any trouble! Well, any more trouble.
Oh. It's a door, DJ.
Beanie! We've got you now!
Don't worry, I'll grab the leash. Help! I'm trapped in a closet and a thought bubble. I'm double trapped.
Posh? What happened to you?
I was locked in, but this puppycorn rescued me. My hero. Wow! Beanie must have super strength and super hearing.
Almost time for the Rainbocorn Rescue Grand Opening! Are the puppycorns ready to hatch? Where are the puppycorns?
We lost them.
Yeah, they're missing. Well, except Beanie. She's super strong. We've got to find the other ones before our grand opening guests start showing up in any minute. What do we do?
We can do this. Missy, you and DJ put the banner up and decorate for the grand opening. Posh, Beanie, and I find the puppycorns. Beanie, a little of that super strength? Sparkly fiddlesticks. I don't think they're here. Beanie, what did you hear? Let's go!
Thanks, puppycorns! Puppycorns?
We found the...
Puppycorns. We did too.
We need a plan. You go that way, we'll go this way. Now where are they? How are we going to get them down? Everyone, get ready.
Now we're ready for the grand opening of the Rainbocorn Rescue.
The Xania Rainbocorns!
Let's open it up. Hatching Xania eggs. Perfect timing.
Wait, shouldn't they be sparkly?
When Rainbocorns arrive in town, they might look a little bit down. But if you find a talent and a mini egg around, their sparkle will be found.
Wow! They need to find a talent and an egg. We should help them find their Rainbocorn sparkle by putting on a Exania Mania talent show!
But the eggs! We need the mini eggs to find their sparkle too!
Rory, your talent is singing. I can feel it! Oh? Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah!
Oh, we've got a lot of work to do. Oh? Nala, where were you? We could have really used your help.
Looking for the mini eggs.
The mini egg will give you exactly what you need to sparkle. Sparkle-tastic! Now you're ready for the talent show!
OMG!
Whoa, I knew it! They all found their own special Exania talent. And look, they're getting their sparkle!
Help all the new Rainbocorns get some rest.
No problem, Nala. It's almost ready. Just need to feel out the acoustics of the room to finish it.
Aren't you all so cute? DJ, could you please watch the Rainbocorns? DJ? DJ? DJ! Please watch them while I'm gone.
Okay, DJ. Get in the zone. Time to create the perfect lullaby mix. Oh no! I need the most rainbow-tastic beat ever. Something that makes you want to party and fall asleep at the same time. Oh no! I am just now realizing I was supposed to be watching the Rainbocorns. Okay, back to work. Think, DJ, think! Daffy, you're gonna break my turntable! Rory, that's so beautiful! But can you please sing in the same note as the song? Hey, Peanut, what are you doing? Whoa, not bad! Spin that record, Daffy! Rory, go higher! Faster, Peanut! Yo! Rainbocorns got rhythm!
What is going on here?
I finished my lullaby mix!
What good is a lullaby if it makes them more awake?
They'll fall asleep. Eventually.
Hello! Rainbocorn rescue! Lost her sparkle. Just apply 3 pounds of glitter and call us in the morning. Of course! When Rainbocorns need rescuing, we're out here rescuing Rainbocorns. We're still working on our slogan. What can I do for you, Daxel? Oh my! You have the hiccups!
What brings you in today? Whoa! The hiccups! These can be very difficult to fix. I have a few ideas. First, let's try holding our breath. Great. Now count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Whoa! These aren't just regular hiccups. They're atomic hiccups, which are worse. Much worse. Not sure if that was clear.
Thank you for calling Rainbocorn. Rescue? Oh no! I've got
Hiccups too!
Contagious atomic hiccups! Okay, I have something else we can try.
We're desperate! We'll try anything!
I'm gonna scare you.
Aww. It's no use. You're just too cute to be scary.
Let me try one more time. Think scary thoughts. Glittering cupcake shortages. Stolen rainbows. Puppycorns who don't want to play. I think it worked!
Please don't ever do that again.
Another patient cured by Dr. Nala. Uh-oh!
So many Rainbocorns have hatched, and there's only one egg left.
She's here! But she's missing her horn!
That can't be! All Rainbocorns' magic comes from their horn. No horn, no magic! Come on, Posh. Come on, Posh. Ideas to fix this. I got it! I'll be right back. Ta-da! If it looks like a horn,
Maybe it will act like a horn. Let's give it a try.
okay. Next idea? Because it's a horn instrument. Don't worry, Corny. We'll fix this for you somehow.
Oh, how about a group hug? That always makes me feel better.
Look, Corny! You're sparkling! And it's gone again. So if hugging makes horns appear, we have to hug harder!
What's this? A Rainbocorn sandwich?
Corny hatched last, and she doesn't have a horn, and we have been trying all sorts of things to help her get a horn, and nothing is working!
I know what to do. Follow me. It's the Rainbocorn's way to make magic and play. First touch your horn like this. Go on, Corny. Then spin like this. Your friends are magic and so are you. Do this dance when you're feeling blue.
Corny! Your horn! It's back!
Welcome all to the Kitty Corn Ball, where every kitty corn gets a chance to shine. Take it away, girls!
As you all know, kitty corns love fashion, style, and expressing themselves.
So it's our honor to introduce the new class of kitty corns. First up, the cool and classic Clover, bringing it in a boa!
The notoriously nice Nori, sporting the biggest bow of the ball. And last but not least, Pippa? Pippa! Where'd you go? Stay tuned. We're having a bit of a fashion emergency. There she is! Oh, what's the matter, Pippa?
Are you having trouble finding your fashion look? You know, sometimes you can't quite find what you're looking for. But if you keep an open mind, you might find fun ideas where you least expect them.
We've got some hungry people out there. Is the fashion show ready to continue?
We're almost ready, Nala. Pippa is just looking for inspiration.
Pippa!
You might find fun ideas where you least expect them, like right here.
Oh my They're going to love it! Let's get you to the runway. Sorry for the delay. The final kitty corn of the evening is the very pretty and pioneering Hippa!
I found buried treasure! I can't believe summer is finally here, Missy! Yes, Nyla, I love it! The sun, the fun, digging for bones I buried last year! Oh, my glittering whiskers, there's something down here! I found buried treasure! Wow! It's... Oh, a Rainbocorn egg? Looks like it's been down there a while. What could be inside? Looks like we're about to find out! It is I, the most magical puppycorn of all! The amazing, magnificent, stupendous Posh the Poodlecorn! Wow, Posh! I haven't seen you in forever! Yeah, funny story. I tried a new rainbow spell, and it went kinda sorta completely wrong. Rainbow spell of sunny skies, show me now a beach surprise! Oh. Hello? Hello? Uh-oh. This could take a while. And you've been stuck under the beach ever since? Yeah. And that sand gets everywhere. Thanks for finding me. I've been cramped in that egg, buried in the sand for so long. And now all I want to do is dance, you feel me? Oh yeah, we get it. We should throw a concert. Yes, singing is my favorite. It will be the most spectacular concert ever. I have a vision. We're gonna put on a show that will be glorious. A concert with everything. DJs and dancers, fabulous glitz and glam, and food and desserts. I'll call it a Sparkle Fest. Oh, Sparkle Fest! Oh, we're gonna need lots of help. The scheduling, the planning. It takes a lot to put on a concert. That's right. It will take every Rainbocorn in town coming together. But I promise, it'll be worth it. And I know who to call first. DJ the DJ, world's greatest DJ. DJ, we need some sweet beats, and you're the corn for the gig. I might have a problem. I kinda soaked my beats. What does that even mean? Listen, I dropped the beat in the pool. I lost all my beats. Wow. Pulling off Sparkle Fest could be harder than I thought. Ooh, the Rainbowville Dance Spa. Time for a much-needed self-care dance break. Yeah, Vacay. I'm so looking forward to DJ the DJ's set. This noise makes my ears sad. What is wrong with this music? Oh no! Throw your hands in the air and say yeah! No! Oops. Sorry, fans. I'm gonna take 5 and mop up the dance floor. DJ, what happened? Why does your music sound so aquatic? Hey, Vacay. Well, so here's what happened. I was playing a set at P3, the Puppycorn pool party, and who's ready for the cannonball contest? Yay! That's right! Cannonball! I won that cannonball contest, by the way. But
But now my beads are all waterlogged. What am I gonna do?
If the old beats are gone, we'll just have to record new beats.
Well, I don't know if I can find the inspiration.
I'll help you record.
Wow. Thanks, Vacay.
Okay, DJ, this is my favorite spot in Rainbowville. My home away from home. The Twinkle Star Cafe. Howdy, Corns. Welcome to the Twinkle Star. Honey, vacay. I thought you were on vacay. Always. Maybe a double slice of cherry pie will inspire a new song.
I hope so. Make it a double.
Double coming up pronto. What the hitchin' you giddy up, compadre?
Huh?
She needs to find some inspiration to write a new song. All right, partner, I'll kick on the jukebox. A little music couldn't hurt.
Wait, what's that sound? I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes.
You feel it in the whole room. Little buddy, I call that the Hippocorn stuff.
It's the perfect beat.
It's the perfect beat.
We've got to record this.
Yeehaw! Let's work together. I knew you'd find the beat.
I gotta call Missy and let her know that Sparkle Fest is back on.
Hey, DJ.
Hey, Missy, good news! Honey, Vacay and I are going to form a supergroup to play at Sparkle Fest.
That's fantastic! The superest supergroup ever! If we're gonna be a supergroup, there's one more thing we need. Fabulous outfits! I know just who to call. The Itzy Glitzys.
Ooh, the Itzy Glitzys.
Hey, all you out there in the Glitzy gang. Phoenix the Toucan here. Just giving you an update on all the fun creative projects we're working on in the Shimmer Shop. As you know, Itzy Glitzys are the most creative designers in Rainbowville. Ooh, Dolly, what are you working on now?
This jewelry is music to my ears. Literally.
Yes.
I've got earrings too, but they need a little work.
I know you'll figure it out. Have you seen Glimmer?
She's been working all day in her secret lab. On her secret project.
I've done it! I've completed my secret project! Let me show you.
Whoa, I've never been in here before.
I have created something that will revolutionize the fashion industry. It's the Fashiontron 3000.
Whoa!
Wow.
This machine sparkleizes any accessory you put in it. Put this pink bow in the machine, and a sparkleizes bow.
Try Dolly's musical tiara.
Okay, but be careful. I worked really hard on this.
It'll be okay, I promise.
Uh-oh.
An astronaut helmet? That's totally different.
Just a little bug in the process. I'll put it back through.
What? A pineapple?
That's not even a hat.
And it's not even sparkly.
This may take a little while. No!
Maybe fashion design is better with a personal touch.
Now I'll never get everything done in time for Sparkle Fest.
It's okay. We work better as an Itzy Glitzy team. Who's with me? Go Glitzy!